In today's tutorial, I will show you how to open a high yield savings account in less than 5 minutes. I will be using Capital One in this example, but the steps should be very similar for any other bank. To get started, we can just go to the Capital One website, and then at the very top where it says checking and savings, just click on 360 performance savings. Once you're on this page, you can see that the interest rate for this specific high yield savings account is 4.25%. For the next step, click open account. On this step, it will ask you if you already have a Capital One login. If you do, click yes, and if you don't, just click no. For this tutorial, I will assume you don't have an account, so I will click no. You might or might not see this similar message saying a promo code has expired. Just ignore it and click continue. Click continue here. Enter your first and last name, then hit continue. On this page, enter your email address, then hit continue. Enter your phone number and hit continue to go to the next step. Type in your home address, then we can go to the next step. Select your country of citizenship, and then we can go to the next step. Select your employment status. Select your job title. On this page, just select your income, then enter your birthday and social security number. Read through all these options and then select the first checkbox and hit continue. Read through this prompt and make sure you select the right option and then click the checkbox all the way at the bottom and hit continue. This is the confirmation screen. Just make sure all the information is correct that you see here. If it is, just click confirm and continue. And this should be the very last step. If not, there might be one or two more steps, but they should be really straightforward. So just fill out that information. And once you completed all of these steps, you have now successfully opened a high yield savings account. This is the end of this tutorial. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content.